Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
What kind of cross is this?
Come out when me keep interrogate her about the work then.
Jesus Christ, we can't bother. Yo, people don't want me talk here, don't want me talk for you. Tough stuff louder.
Come on for the blood clot live, yeah, man. You back on the money out of my mouth.
Alright, see there.
What am I talk about? You just see that come on and talk about. You just see that talk about book and another lady with she and her friend. And she said she can't get no money right. And the first lady will add up Jake one. Come and say she not stop being a menace to me. Tell me girl my baby. I'm gonna say woman me not give me kidney.
Who said that?
The first woman will come on and say she a clean shit and she clean this and she clean that. I have her like picture on my phone. So me in an argument, but you box up money out of my mouth. So who come and I say Susie box money out of my mouth? That is a lie. Me not like client story.
Thank you. Thank you so
And you tell me so much liar story out here.
You can't even bugger. Say if you get them under your blood clot. Go put up wrong identity.
And the whole IG you have tell peer liar story. So I don't know all you not like liar story. Me like every story.
Hey, yes, you Candy. I'm glad the day I meet you, and I'm sorry the day I meet you.
Me not give a fuck where you want to say.
Clear up her name because them have customers, so she take it. She's back towards you.
What time we them a run with that but Susie box stone jiggle out of my mouth? Susie can't box money out of my mouth.
Listen to me. I know
Never.
in the future, if you are Susie fall out, you use it for Susie, so we're clearing it up.
You know, we can't take that smoke there. We can't take that smoke there. That smoke there, that's energy there, right? Because through them see me and Susie attack on forward there, so them are come with them bad blood clot energy.
Well, we don't want you to come back with no story for Susie about $200.
Come use me and Susie and turn upside down and eat when you want from nobody. I don't want to hear nothing
I want Tuffy when I get her money there. You remember me tell her that.
And a Susie box out no all the time. I don't want to hear nothing from nobody, man. Should them see me and talk from what they Susie ever come with them negativity. Them I don't for Lego my shirt now, you know. When I hold on for my white shirt too long, you know.
Cause you come and tell Pierre lie. Why did you tell us you got a job at the airport?
Listen to me now, Candy. Listen to me now.
No, we can't off work. You press live and they talk about Derek. Derek to come look at job at the airport man. Blah blah blah. When you really don't work at the airport, why are you such a liar?
And Candy, where you want with me? Where you want with me, Candy?
When you press live and they call up people name, somebody all inbox me and tell me to get number from Tuffy for the work. When me know, me not even ask you, cause me know see a fucking lie. Oh, you say lie?
All if people call me and say Tuffy show the airport when you're there, so me can't answer for that.
Yeah. Come and I press big live to my Uncle Derek. You wait till me post that video, cause me I post it and me I tag Derek. You come and talk about Derek for stop beg on the internet and them I use them I look man, them I look no more woman. You full of too much pussy clad story. Every time I catch you in them deep liar where you try convince me I go call you out Tuffy.
How about me, man? Me no want to kill a sister ninja man and
you back up all out Tuffy and that me can know.
So when she press live for me uncle the first day our so-called worker tell me uncle to come to the airport.
Be a mad people yet be a mad people.
Airport a look job. What if the uncle take him taxi money and got airport a look job when Tuffy a lie?
You're there. The bugger where you say Tuffy now work?
That's exactly what I'm saying. But she has said somewhere else she a work.
Move from here. I'm not telling no one I work. Somebody tell me coming off and tell no one I work. When the internet ban when they call my workplace, I'm not telling them.
Tuffy, I believe in you because I see him saying they say your name pregnant. I'm telling him say you're pregnant. I look there.
Me not tell Candy you could have deal. You can't jam me out like shoes lace tonight. Come not tell you what me
I'm
are.
not
You
trying
want
to
me
drag
get
you out.
ignorant?
I'm just
You want me get
speaking on
ignorant
what
to talk
you
with product? Me
told
not
us.
tell you. Me
Me
not
the
tell
people
you.
on
Me not
IG,
tell you.
I'm just
Me not tell
repeating
you. Me not
what
tell
you
you.
said. And then what you did the day, the so-called first
I
day
do
of
anything
work
I want to
in
do.
a fake
Because
fucking
then I get,
uniform.
oh, when
You
you put up
coming
then
to
I
tell
get a
my Uncle
content.
Derek to
When
get
you put
job
up
and
then I
stop
get a
begging. When it
content.
was all fake, 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 fake.
Some of
You
them are
wanted
China me live. Say no more fear. Because them are China me live.
so why you call me uncle about come get job for?
Move them right to some of
Why
your
you
uncle.
people to inbox you about the airport job when you don't work
Larry,
at the
take off
airport?
candy a bit now,
Why
please.
you such a canard? Don't take me off. Why you such a canard?
Gary, take off candy a minute now, please. Make sure the smoke can come back.
You too lie.
So Tuffy, you can't
Yeah.
call me Monday when you're there at work. Just show me say you're shine the floor or something. But don't show the rest.
Okay, Susie. Right
Okay.
there, so.
You're not have to show me your location. Just say Susie, me there you saw me a sweep up. Or you know for everybody ask me.
Whatever. That's not happening. She's
Yes,
not
you
doing
know.
that.
I'm gonna give a bullet in your blood clot Monday. You can be. Cause you see you love come at me. I'm gonna show you say don't come at me. I'm gonna
But
show you something Monday.
Well,
Gary,
don't come out here with your bag of
you know
lies.
what get
No,
scared.
no, can come out from me, man. And love me out. Where you want with me? Where you want with me?
I want better for you, but you don't want better
You
for
hear her?
yourself.
You hear
You
her
come
and
with
that
one
blood
bag of
clot,
lies.
Lisa? You hear her and that Baileys and her Jagan? Well, Sarah, calm down. I want better for you.
Yeah, but you're full of peer stories. You
No,
can't
no,
trick me.
me not
We are
storyteller. Me a
Jamaicans. We
storyteller.
are Jamaicans. We are Jamaicans. We are Jamaicans. You can't trick me.
You so know. You so know. You see me I walk and trick
No.
people? Don't go beg. Me no walk and trick people. I'm
Alright,
gonna think me can't say Tuffy beg too
they
much.
said they want your Susie. What
Watch out, Anna K. Anna K beg further coming to the chicken and your things right now.
Tuffy, somebody asked a valid question. No, them say if I say you gotta work with the head look.
No, may I wash me ear and wrap it.
Only I noticed the first day I work how the head look.
No,
Let's
but
chat too
Tuffy,
much man. Me head up pull up my pin curl.
but
That's where
Tuffy,
I'm going.
We went pull up the first day.
I want to candy on me.
No, no, cause me look by your head and me look on the all uniform from 19 how long we try to pass off as airport uniform. I
Yes.
inspected the whole thing, trust me.
Trust
I
you.
may
Me
not
can
say a
trust you
lot
and
right
down
away,
long
but
time.
I like to observe everything. And me look by you from head to toe. I know
You
that
can't know
uniform was
that.
old. That uniform is old. You can't tell me nothing. You can't trick me. Me no know who you can trick out there, but you can't trick me.
you
You are
trick.
right, you know. You are right. You are right.
She
You
must
are
she
right.
no Tuffy, she must matlock.
All right, Candy. Me and
Eh?
you gonna make a deal. And you
Me
see the
not
deal
make no
when me
pussy
and
clot deal with you. You
what you mean you
crazy?
know me not deal? Can you send me a liar this Monday?
No.
You send me
Of
5,000
course.
of credit on my
You
phone.
already admitted to us you don't work at the airport. So what are
So
you trying to say?
no, me I share me a wipe. And in my workplace I do my
No, but
things.
you know the point is, even if you are working, the point is everything you told us about the airport and calling the woman and the woman said this shift and that shift, you want them want more man than CMD, you so-called went to everything was a motherfucking lie. So why would I believe anything you have to say?
What's
That's what
Tuffy
I'm
auntie? What's
saying.
Tuffy
That's
auntie?
why, that's why, you know what? You forget any blood clotting. Cause you know why you forget it? Cause when the people them did dip on
Not me.
Tuffy,
You tricked the whole
you see upon
line.
your depon, your
You
depon. I believe
tried.
Tuffy.
You
I don't
tried
give
to
a
trick the
damn.
whole
I believe
line.
Tuffy.
Alright,
I
it's only
believe
something
Tuffy.
nice before me take on off now.
Me not tell you which
Sita,
farm me I work. Me not tell
Sita,
nobody which farm me I work.
hey, Tuffy never take it up. Sita, Tuffy says see her uniform and that she's at work. Is that true?
I
Oh, who say
oh
that?
I didn't see that.
Oh, never
No,
see.
she
Oh,
not see me in a uniform. Me never said she. I never
I
say I said
I
two
did see
company.
the
I never call any name.
uniform. Hold on. I did see the uniform, but she wasn't at work. She was just showing the uniform, but I was on that live. Candy was on that live too. I saw the uniform, but yeah. But Candy, yeah, Candy was right.
Somebody tell me say Tuffy. It's not everything you come on the internet come do. Me not tell nobody when me work
That's
on. Me
fine,
know,
Tuffy. That's
me not
fine. But
busy.
you
You know
came
me
with
I'm
a
not about
whole
it. I'm
script.
gonna come call
Tuffy,
about you
that's
and
fine. You
man.
don't have to tell us. But the point is, you came with a whole motherfucking script. From the so-called not having
Oh
to have an interview,
use
plus
what?
the lady you have
Use
to
what? You
call
are
for
bagger
the
bagger
shift,
candy.
plus you had
Candy,
to
you
go pick
are
up
a
your
fucking bagger bagger.
uniform, plus you
So
Calm
you
get
down,
get bagger
Tuffy.
bagger to
$7,000 for
put up.
shoes, plus
Tuffy, why you so
your
so
hair
hot?
and
Calm down.
pedicure and manicure was
No,
paid
no,
for. You came
not.
with the
It's
whole
not.
script, girl.
I not tell nobody when me I work. I beg God protect me in the cloud. Me, yeah man, when me on my tear way, Terry and where she ever there on the internet and does a send some things on the people them say, oh, that girl that she's a bagger for sure. She tell me say she know up on social media. But go and come out from a leg on my shirt. They
It
must
doesn't
see.
matter what your
But
excuses
Tuffy, you're
are, your
always on social
explanations. The
media,
point is you
even
came
when
with
you
a
say.
whole fucking story.
That's why would I have manners to people on the live? You think you're nobody on your star size?
I'm definitely not sides with you.
Me and you same age, you know.
No, no, no. But
Yeah,
we
how
probably
much?
look
Yeah, how much?
we
Yeah, how
probably look
much?
the same age.
Me at 36, you know. Yeah, how much?
Candy, she said she was giving you content. No, content not feed she, it a feed me. We need to worry about ourselves.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
This a thing, yeah. Boy, me no know what go on with me. Look like them set me. Look like my mother
No,
do something.
no, me not think them just set you for beg. Them set you for like everything you come, you lie from your set
Tuffy,
around we
I tell you
appear
for put
like
on lying
non-stop,
and pick up
non-stop,
teeth in.
non-stop. You lie about everything from we meet in the
Lie.
first
You
day.
suck out donkey eye. I am married to a fly.
From
Get
the
that in your
first
head.
day we set eyes on your Tuffy, you've been lying non-motherfucking stop.
Yeah, Tuffy have 10
You
different
not take a
stories.
break off of the begging and the lying.
Ah, when Tuffy says she not come back.
I'm a miss, you know. I'm a missing.
I can't, but I
no,
know.
but that's true for Tuffy show our PLS Sita and Candy have a problem. Some boy don't want
What?
to be
You be
friends.
see them tracking color pink shoes. As soon as
Candy,
Tita
after
say
she
I'll
told us
send you
it was black.
$150. Me say she take about 10 minutes to show with the shoes. It's like Tuffy, I wipe off the bottom of the shoes. See look new.
Yeah, man, Tuffy, you're bad, man. Tuffy. Oh,
Then
God.
she come with one next shoes. Then somebody said me see her in that when you christen your pitney. Me say
Oh,
Tuffy get mad. Tuffy, you can't trick we. Especially over the platform. Anybody follow anybody over here, so no, you can't trick them, Tuffy.
Happiness. Me not in a